Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. Please like and subscribe if you like content like this. And if you are watching this, it is the Brewed Beauties Collab Day. Hosted by Alex from Makeup Addict 1992. Also in the collab is Char from Char's Fashion Nation. Johna from My Nails and More by Johna. And Erica Sue, Erica Sue Nail and More. Today's look is a Taurus look. Excuse me. So, I've been looking it up. Excuse me. I was outside and I think my allergies are acting up. What is going on? Anyway, I was looking it up. There's so many conflicting colors. Like, oh, the door scared the shit out of me. It just slammed. Hopefully that fan isn't bothering you, but it's really hot in here. I looked at this Zodiac palette from BH Cosmetics, and the colors in there for Taurus are brown and like this metallic. It's right there. And then you go online and look up. There's greens, browns, pinks. So, an array. So, I'm just going to go by what I feel like. Taurus is an earth sign. My mom's a Taurus. My husband's a Taurus. So, I'm going to go by that. Like, when I read their zodiac sign, like how it describes it. So I'm going to use the Star Ranch palette to create my look, and we're just going to go for it. So I'm going to go into Yak Farm. I don't know if that would be a good brush or not. Maybe not. Let me get the color down first, then blend. Alright, so I'm going to go into Yak Farm, which is this light brown there. And I'm going to go in the inner corner. My lighting is just not good lately. I'm going to take that up into the crease. See, in the handheld mirror, it looks dark. Okay, I'm going to take that about a third away. This is going to be a pretty simple, earthy look. I hope. Alright, now I'm going to go on the outer corner with Wyoming, which is that brown in the middle. And I'm going to start about right there. I don't know if this is a good brush. Let me change brushes. I don't like that brush. Let's go with a pointier brush. Wow, today is just not my day. I'm dropping things all day long. So I hope everybody had a good Mother's Day. I had a very peaceful Mother's Day. My kids and grandkids came to see me. They brought me this beautiful lavender plant. That I repotted. And then my brother stopped over and brought my mom a beautiful hanging, or I should say our mom, a beautiful hanging basket for the porch. Alright, I like that. Okay. Mostly what I did was work out in the yard a little bit. because that's what I like to do. I love gardening, getting my porch set up for summer because I spend a lot of time on my porch. It's my safe haven. You're going to hear a lot of noise in the background because the bus is coming through. I apologize. Alright, I'm going to go in with that Star Creek, which is that green. I don't know how it will apply with a brush, but we are going to try it. That's cute. Okay. I want this to be like a easy to do look. That's a really pretty green. Let's try with the finger. I mean, it applies okay with the brush, but the finger's a little bit better. Okay, I can dig it. Going back into Yak Farm. And just bring that over a little bit better. Okay. I like that. Alright, that looks earthy, right? Alright, I think... I don't know if I want to do that or not. No, I think I'm going to leave it. Alright, so I'm going to finish this other eye off camera, and I will be right back. Okay, and I am back. So, I did the other eye, and I used Resting Rich Face. The color is like that for my waterline. I used Lash It Out Loud by e.l.f. mascara, and I can't read the bottom of this. I don't know if it'll focus. It won't. But anyway, this gold lip from Jeffree Star. I don't know which collection that is. Whichever one came with the yellow. So that is what I did. So this is my Taurus look. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. Please go watch the other girls in the Brewed Beauty collab. Thank you, Alex, for hosting this. As usual, from Makeup Addict 1992. Please go check out our channel and subscribe if you want to. It's free. Doesn't cost you anything. And it helps our channels out. Also, Char from Char's Fashion Nation. Johna by My Nails and More by Johna. And Erica from Erica Sue Nail and More. So, with that being said, until next time, we'll see you later. Bye.